Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're still on Chapter 10, Part G. Take a lesson from Har Sinai. The Beis HaLevi teaches in order for the Jewish people to accept the Torah, it was necessary that they be united. It is well known that our sages teach us that Hashem chose to give the Torah on Har Sinai because it was the most humble of all the mountains. This idea accords with the theme of the Jews' unity. The primary reason the people don't unite with others is because they are arrogant. Someone who is humble doesn't view himself as better than anyone else, and therefore he easily can get along with others. Perhaps this is why Hashem chose to give the Torah on Har Sinai, the humblest of the mountains, not to reward Har Sinai, but to serve as a lesson for the Jewish people, to teach them that they should be humble, as was Har Sinai. In doing so, they would be able to unite with one another, thus becoming worthy to accept the Torah. Indeed, the Baal Shem Tov makes a similar point. The first Mishnah of Pirkei Avos states, Moshe received the Torah from Sinai. The wording of the Mishnah seems perplexing. Did Moshe receive the Torah from Har Sinai? Har Sinai was the place where he received the Torah. It was given to him by Hashem, not by Har Sinai. The Baal Shem Tov explains, the Mishnah is teaching us how Moshe merited to receive the Torah, and he merited it because of his humbleness. Thus, Moshe received the Torah from Har Sinai from the lesson of humbleness that he learned from the mountain. Though it may seem shocking, Rav Chaim Volozhin writes something incredible. If somebody today would have the same level of humility as Moshe, he would merit the entire Torah, just as Moshe Rabbeinu did. In the Haggadah Shel Pesach, we recite the list of the Dayanus, thanking Hashem for all the acts of goodness He did for us. One of these deeds is, had He brought us close to Har Sinai, but not given the Torah, it would have sufficed. The age-old question is, how can we say that His kindness would have been enough for us if we have not been given the Torah? Of what benefit would it be to merely stand in front of Har Sinai and then depart empty-handed? Rav Avram Shor explains, he says that we generally translate, had you brought us close to Har Sinai, but he reads it as, had you brought the people close to one another in front of Har Sinai. This process of bringing the Jewish people together in unity was a prerequisite for the Torah, and therefore we can thank Hashem for that as well. Thanks, and we'll continue tomorrow.